Hello and welcome back to my channel once again. And for the new watchers, a sweet welcome to you all. Today, join me as we make two delicious sweet treats featuring fresh fruits. I'm sure you will enjoy making this along with me. Let's take a look at what we need. Just 3 to 4 simple ingredients. For the chocolate preparation, we need a bowl of fresh mulberries, 14 to 15 pieces of dark white chocolate. I'm using 72% dark chocolate. You can also use any compound chocolate you prefer. Next, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk made for sweetness, chocolate mold of any shape. First, break the chocolate into small pieces and place them in a microwave safe bowl. If you don't have a microwave, you can use the double boiler method to melt the chocolate. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to the chocolate and heat it in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring in between until fully melted. If using a double boiler, keep stirring until you get a smooth glossy texture. Now add in the milk made. Since I prefer less sweetness, I am using only a small amount. Stir well to combine. Take the chocolate mold and place 1 fresh mulberry in each section. Then gently pour the molten chocolate over the berries, covering them completely. I was able to make 12 chocolates from this mixture. Give the mold a gentle tap to remove any air bubbles, then refrigerate it for about an hour until the chocolates are set. While the chocolates are setting, let's make a quick healthy mulberry smoothie. For this, we need a bowl of mulberries, a little less than a full bowl. One because we have used 12 mulberries from the bowl. 1 apple peeled and cut into small pieces. Honey for sweetness. 2 drops of fresh lemon juice, optional. If you like, you can add that. In a blender, add the mulberries, apple pieces, honey and lemon juice. Blend until smooth and creamy. There you have it, a delicious and refreshing mulberry apple smoothie. Now let's check on our chocolates. Take them out from the mold and place them on a plate. You can dust them with some powdered sugar for a finishing touch. Time to taste. The chocolate is rich and smooth, and when you bite into it, the mulberry inside gives a juicy, tangy, sweet burst of flavor. Absolutely delicious. And the smoothie, so fresh, sweet and healthy, perfect for a refreshing treat. Do try this at home, friends. You'll surely enjoy these sweet delights. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.